Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data visualization with Infogram, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Infogram website at infogram.com. Click on the sign up button to create an account if you don't have one. Choose between personal or business options depending on your needs. Fill in the required details to complete the sign up process. Once logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Click on the Create button to start a new project. Select the type of visual you want to create, such as a chart, infographic, or report. Consider your data type when choosing from the templates available. After selecting a template, you are taken to the editing interface. On the left side, you will find various design elements to enhance your visualization. Next, click on Data in the top menu to input your information. You can either upload a dataset from your computer or use the built-in spreadsheet. If using the spreadsheet, enter your data directly into the grid provided. Make sure your data is organized correctly for optimal visualization. Once your data is in place, you can click on the chart to customize it. Adjust colors, fonts, and chart types to better represent your information. Use the text tool to add titles, descriptions, or any explanatory notes to your visual. You can also upload images or logos by using the Media tab. After making all necessary adjustments, preview your visualization by clicking on the Preview button. If satisfied with the look, click Export to save your work in the desired format. You can choose options like PNG, PDF, or even publish it directly online. Finally, share your visualization through social media platforms or embed it on your website. Now you are ready to effectively manage your data visualization with Infogram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.